So, class, essentially, in summary and conclusions, what were the takeaways from this chapter? Well, let's see. What we have learned was what are the essential components of the definition of leadership. And you should be able to go through at least 4 of them. The other thing is, we know that a leader is going to be a person that influences individuals and groups to work within an organization, helping them to establish goals and guides them toward achieving those goals. And this would increase effectiveness and motivation. We wanted to learn as well as what are the essential components of leadership effectiveness. And you can get that through the YouTube videos. Why do we need leaders? There are several different reasons why we need leaders. But the most important reason is to try to make sense of things, make sense of the world. Groups and their leaders provide individuals with basically a perceptual check of where they were, where they are, and where they're going in the organization. You should also be able to provide some type of an example of what is an effective or a successful leader. What are the obstacles to effective leadership? And maybe define some of the obstacles that we've been faced in recent years. How are management and leadership different or similar? You should be able to outline both of those things, see how they integrate and how they separate. And what are some of the ways which leaders can influence the creation of a culture in organizations? What are some of the emerging types of good leadership? What are some of the barriers or obstacles to effective leadership? So basically, that should be the reflection and answers on, and helps answer some of the questions through this reflection of what you need to know in Chapter 1. So the next thing I'm going to ask you to do is just below this reading, listening, and viewing, okay, you will see the link to the particular discussion number 1, okay, on Chapter 1. And that will be on defining and also to be able to not just define, but know the significance of leadership and what it means to be a good leader. Okay, remember, 24-hour deadline on all assignments. So this is going to be ready for you first thing on July 3rd. And the assignment will be due July 4th, no later than 8 a.m. Okay, thank you.